arrived. Please pack your belongings, queue in an orderly manner, let passengers exit first. Door appears at an abnormal spot such as on the roof. Please do not board at the moment. When the train stops but the station name is not announced, do not get off. The sudden disappearance of non-accompanying passengers is a normal phenomenon on this train.
Shift change. Go rest now.
If an open door appears in a car during the journey, do not go through the door. Keep a distance from it and avoid looking beyond the door. If the train suddenly stops during the journey and an emergency button appears near you, do not touch it. This train has no emergency button. In case of emergency, please wait patiently in a safe area. If necessary, use only Esper abilities that will not harm other passengers. If you accidentally get off at the wrong station, for your safety, do not get back onto the train. Please exit the station and re-enter to board again. If the station you get off at does not match the station in your knowledge, do not exit. Take out your train ticket and keep recycling. The ghost train will arrive at your platform within a minute. Dear passengers, before entering the station, please follow the ticket regulations of the Ghost Train Passenger Manual and carry a valid train ticket issued by the PAC. If you lose your train ticket, please go to the nearest platform, walk past the third step of the stairs, and turn around to retrieve it. You are not allowed to carry uncontracted or uncontrolled anomalies on board. Kind reminder, on board unless absolutely necessary. Violators will face consequences. Dear passengers, Anomaly Metro Ghost Train is about to arrive. Please pack your belongings, queue in an orderly manner, let passengers exit first, and board the train in an orderly fashion. A kind reminder from Hetero Bureau of Anomaly Control Daily Safety Department. For your safety and the safety of other passengers, if the ghost train arrives and the door does not open, or the door appears at an abnormal spot such as on the roof, please do not board at the moment. When the train stops but the station name is not announced, do not get off. The sudden disappearance of non-accompanying passengers is a normal phenomenon on this train. Do not panic. If an open door appears in a car during the journey, do not go through the door. Keep a distance from it and avoid looking beyond the door. If the train suddenly stops during the journey and an emergency button appears near you, do not touch it. This train has no emergency button. In case of emergency, please wait patiently in a safe area. If necessary, use only Esper abilities that will not harm other passengers. If you accidentally get off at the wrong station, for your safety, do not get back onto the train. Please exit the station and re-enter to board again. If the station you get off at does not match the station in your knowledge, do not exit. Take out your train ticket and keep reciting the text on the ticket. The ghost train will arrive at your platform within a minute. Dear passengers, before entering the station, please follow the ticket regulations of the Ghost Train Passenger Manual and carry a valid train ticket issued by the BAC. If you lose your train ticket, please go to the nearest platform, walk past the third step of the stairs, and turn around to retrieve it. You are not allowed to carry uncontracted or uncontained anomalies on board. Kind reminder, do not bring felines on board unless absolutely necessary. Violators will face consequences.
Today, Black
Pleasure working.
Let's go.
Got something to say? Come on, let's fight! Taking a shortcut down.
river god! It's the river god! Oh, with a pull this heavy, it's gotta be a legendary catch!
Far from it! Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings. Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings. Taking a short... If only I had wings. Taking a shortcut down. Oh, one go!
Here I am.
Shift change.
Come on, let's fight! If only I had wings. Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings. Taking a shortcut down. Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings.
Pull this heavy. It's gotta be a legendary catch. River God, it's real.
Got something to say?
Let's go.
Today,
Pleasure working.
Let's go.
I'm not a good person to kill time with. Take this, if you can.
How are you? Oh, nice stuff.
Come on, let's fight. Get out! Don't get dragged in! You're stuck here with me! Lively here. I'll deliver this one myself. Signed for delivery. Stay back. Taking a shortcut down. Pretty lively. What good stuff will I get?
I'm not a good person to kill time with. Got something to say?
Take this! I'll take care of the damage done!
For the pretty bold of you. Mission complete. Now, shall we discuss payment? I'll deliver this one myself. Let's settle.
Don't worry, it's me.
It's pretty lively here. Perfect positioning. Get out! Don't get dragged in!
I just had to choose the hard way.
Take this! Give up already!
Time for the professionals to take over. Exclusive delivery. I can see you all. Come on!
Here I am! Evil must be ended! Simple.
What a hassle. I'm not.
Did you?
It's
Every
I'm on.
greetings to you.
shift change. Don't make me clean up for too long.
Come on, let's fight. If only I had wings. Taking a shortcut down. If only I had wings.
Greetings. Welcome to the witch's house.
Hello. Sorry for disturbing you this late.
Good evening. This young lady was attacked by the puppetization anomaly tonight.
Wait, what anomaly? The one that turns people into puppets? So, those people really were...
Well, we aren't certain at this moment.
In any case, could you please share the entire incident with us?
Oh, I'll tell you. Renee came to our shop because she wanted us to deal with some weird thing that appears every night at 9 o'clock to attack her. We were escorting Renee to the parking lot of food first, and at exactly 9 o'clock, there was a poof, and a wild debt collector appeared.
We don't know its real name. Nanalie has been calling it the debt collector.
That's right. It was swinging a huge scythe at Renee. I don't know if my eyes were playing tricks, but the scythe went through Renee's body. I was worried.
I think I saw that too.
Luckily, the appraiser blocked its weapon. Then, they started going at it, trading blows and stuff. But the fight didn't last long. Oh, I was just getting started when he ran off.
Do any of you remember how long the fight lasted?
10 minutes sharp.
And afterwards, did you discover that the anomaly left the same kind of card for Renee?
We did.
Appearing on time, disappearing on schedule, and leaving similar cards for the victims. This debt collector might be a type of rule-based anomaly. Rule-based anomalies usually follow predictable patterns. They also have a complete set of rules in their domains. For example, if any of you were to enter the anomalous realm it creates, you wouldn't be able to get out easily. Instead, you'd have to follow its rules. Some rule-based anomalies symbolize rules themselves. You can think of them as the manifestation of rules. Others have some kind of goal. In such cases, nullification is extremely difficult, and conventional containment methods have proved ineffective.
No wonder it got away.
Is Abisu's security anomaly also a rule-based one? Nantani is its name, right?
It is.
So, the key is to understand the rules and master them before we can nullify or use them to our advantage. And someone beat us to it. Figured out the debt collector's rules. Set up the whole thing. The next questions are, why target Renee? And what do the numbers on Renee's card mean?
Why is the message left for Renee different from the others?
Another annoying puzzle. If only Nietzsche were here.
I could do a divination for Renee. Maybe we can find something.
That's a surprise. I've never had a divination before. Is there anything I need to do?
Just relax and close your eyes now. Oh, lost child of fate, your tomorrow is trapped in blankness.
Wait, what? What trap? What blankness? I thought divination is about tomorrow being lucky or a sunny day.
Oh. Your fate is rather unusual. I'm afraid I can't give you further interpretations. But I once performed a divination for another woman with the same result. You might share similar fates. Her name was Dolores, head of the Constantine family. She was tired of her life, saying she was never truly alive. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, each day was equally empty and void of meaning. I think that was because she lived for far too long.
Uh-huh. She lived for a very, very long time?
They say that Lady Dolores is an immortal with eternal youth. That she made a deal with the devil for unlimited lifespan at a huge price. However, eternal life can be a curse, and the Constantine family met their demise decades ago.
That was when most people didn't know about anomalies. People simply believed in curses. From what we know now, she was either a long-lived Esper, or she made a contract with an anomaly.
Lady Dolores told me that she is one without heart, which is the truth about the curse of immortality. No heart, no bonds, no attachments. Alone, her memories of the past grew dim through the years. Neither does she pay attention to anything happening around her. All she had was a numb void. But she still yearned for lasting companionship and loyalty. So she sought divination from me to find a way to change things. Perhaps because her future extended indefinitely, with no end in sight, all I could see was blankness.
Were you able to help her make a change?
If I remember correctly, I told her, if you want something, you must first give. I'm not sure if this helped her, but I remember her face when she left. She seemed more at ease.
Both that lady's divination and mine resulted in blankness. Maybe that advice applies to me too?
It's just a reference. You could see it as a fun story.
It's enlightening. But it doesn't help much with the issue at hand. It's getting late. Let's call it a night. Thanks for all your help. Miss, let me escort you home.
Okay. Thank you, Chaos.
Blackbird, thank you for your time. We'll head back now.
Whoa! It's already so late! Today was a lot of work without a lot of results, huh? A rule-based anomaly, weird messages on a card, then some story from way back.
There seem to be a lot of clues, but there isn't a way to connect them together.
They must be related. What could be the missing link?
Let's call it a night. It's getting late. You two should get some rest.
Oh, man. After running around so much today, getting home, relaxing for a bit, and now that Master mentions it, sleepiness just hits you like a truck. Good night, Master. Good night, Appraiser.
Good night, everyone.
I apologize, but bedtime is going to have to wait.
Is there an emergency?
The debt collector left me another message.
I found this in Renee's mailbox.
Isn't this the card from last night? An anomaly is back again?
Appraiser, take a look at this.
Renee's name and an address? It looks like an ordinary card. Did someone try to copy the card's style?
They need to have seen the original to make such a convincing copy. That narrows down our suspects.
You mean Fuka, who witnessed our battle with the debt collector last night?
And the person who delivered the puppet. Don't you think they're working together? They sent Renee a formal invitation and are waiting for us at the old Constantine family estate.
That address belongs to the now defunct Constantine family.
Renee, are you somehow connected to the Constantine family? I knew last night's story was different.
I don't know. I don't remember. I'm just a taxi driver who's always been alone. How could I be connected to some strange family? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not helping.
All right. We just have to find someone who has an answer. Let's go.
Wait, don't go yet. This is Abram's commission.
Daffodil must come along. Others can join us too. I don't have stupid rules about not getting others involved.
Master, the Appraiser, and Natalie Calucci. The mystery of the debt collector is a